everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. That CGI video effect you just watched was created using PowerPoint. You want to learn the secret in creating related videos like that? Join me in the next video as I'll be showing you some of the secret of creating mind-blowing video effects. Thank you.
Hi everyone, you're welcome to another class on 2D animation. In this class, we're going to be looking at how to create a sky with having clouds in them. Just like what you're seeing on my screen, you can create awesome environments and backgrounds like this for your 3D and 2D animation. Okay, without wasting so much time, I would like to launch my PowerPoint. Here we go. Now you click this box and you delete. You click the next box and you delete. We want everything to be plain, nothing on the scene. Then you go towards your right hand, your left hand, and right click. You go to format background. Now this is to enable us manipulate the background, which is what you're seeing here. That opens you up to your right, where you have the format background features. You can see the outliners here. Then you click on gradient fill. Okay, by default this is what PowerPoint has. Now if you go down to gradient stop, you have 4 different stops. Alright, now the first thing we're going to do is to adjust the first layer here, which is the first stop, and go to your color here, click it. If you are not satisfied with the colors you have here, you can go down to more colors. I prefer going down to more colors to uniquely be able to get my colors. Alright, so I'll be adjusting this to blue. Okay, I think I'm okay this way. Alright, then the next one, okay, we'll leave it at light blue because we want to blend the two shades of blue. Then the third one will not really be necessary. I'll have to delete it. You go to your remove gradient stop where you have this red. You click it. Then the last one will turn it to white completely. Okay. Now I'll need to adjust it up. Yeah, alright. So this is fine. Okay. Now the next thing we're going to do is to bring in our cloud. There are 2 ways of importing a cloud into your scene. If you have already downloaded a PNG cloud, you can go to your insert, click on pictures, then you have cloud here. I have my cloud here, but I would want to use the one I downloaded. I would like to use the default cloud in PowerPoint. To do that, you click on online pictures, make sure your internet is on, and when that opens up, you go straight to you type in my network is kind of slow. Okay, here we go. You type in PNG cloud. You have options to choose from the default cloud in PowerPoint, but I like to choose the second one. You click, you check it and insert. Okay, that's our cloud there. I'll now have to adjust this. Before I do that, I'll zoom in to enable me position the cloud at different places. Now I'll put one here. I'll click on Ctrl D to duplicate. I'll bring in another one here. Now you have to position them differently to make it kind of realistic. I'll click on Ctrl D again to duplicate another one. This time around I would like to rotate it. I like it to be different. Alright, I like that feel there. The next one I will duplicate again and scale it. Okay, something like this. Then I will also want to duplicate again and bring it below. This time around I will make it bigger. Alright, now I'll have to group them. Now the reason I have to group them because I will need to animate each of the groups differently. So I'll click on this and this, you right click, okay, click on this first one, shift click on the second one, right click, and you go to group. So when you group, it becomes one image. Ctrl Z, go back. I'll click on this and click on this, I'll right click and group. Now we have three different cloud groups: the first, the second, and the third. Now what we're going to do is to animate this, but before then I would like to copy all of this group, that is, and duplicate them. Now I have duplicated, I'll drag it out. Now the reason I'm doing this is the cloud will be moving from the left to my right, and I wouldn't want them to be in the same position. I will rotate this, scale it, I'll come to this, scale it, alright, and I'll take this, make it kind of bigger. Alright, now another thing I would like to do is to place them at different positions. Now I would like this first one to be at the back. You go to this button, then you click send to the back, then you click on this, you click send bring to front, then you click on the last one, send backwards, or whatever you want to do. You can adjust them. Okay, send to the back. Okay, let's try send to the front. Okay, now one other thing I would like to do is to adjust the cloud. Now when you click on the cloud you want to adjust, you go to your format picture, then you go to glow. When you increase the size, you can see the immediate effect. Now to change this, you make it transparent. Rather than use glow, let's go to shadow. So I'll click on the shadow and increase the size. Now you can see, but I wouldn't want it to be black. It has a black layer. I like to make it blue. Okay, that's 2. Okay, then you make it blurry. You can increase the size. You can adjust this to whatever style or form you want and make it blurry. You can click on this. This is to give it different coloration. I'll click on this as well. Okay, I'll click on the lighter blue. Yes, and I'll make it blurry. I'll go back to this and I need to still adjust this blue to something lighter, and I'll make it more blurry. Okay, I'll come to this and also adjust this as well, size. Alright, I'll click on this blue. Okay, now we've adjusted each of these cloud. We'll go straight to animating them. I'll click this, cancel this, I don't need it anymore. Now you go to your animation tab, you click on animation, then you come to add animation. You have all of these different animation transitions and all of that, but we'll be going straight to the motion part. Now you click the motion part line. Now you can see that the cloud is moving downwards because that's the motion part. You click on this red circle and move it to your right. Make sure it is straight. Then we go to the second one, you add animation, you click on motion parts line, then you click on this red circle, you move it to your right, and you click on the third one, add animation, motion part, You can see it coming down. You click on this red as well. You move it forward. Ensure it is straight. The mine is not straight here, so I'll have to adjust it. Alright, that's fine. We'll go to the second cloud, add animation, motion path. Click here. Alright. Go to the second one, add animation. Okay. Click on the third one, add animation. Okay. Now, to see the features of this animation, you click on your animation pane. It opens you up to the right part where you have your outliner. Now, the first thing we're going to do is to animate the first cloud, which is 8, 9, 7. Now we'll go to 7. Click on this arrow here, then you go to your timing. Now we know the cloud usually moves in a slow manner. Instead of 2 seconds, I'll make it 40. This is to enable it to move very slowly. Okay. We go to the second one, that is the second cloud. Click on timing. I would like to make it 38. I want them to move at different times. Then the third one, which is 8, I would like to make it let's make it 42. Alright, now to select each of these clouds I have animated, you click on the first one, press and hold shift, and you click on the third one. Then you come to your start button and you click with previous. Now when you play it, you can see that the clouds are moving. Can you see? Can you see? It's beautiful. Alright, now we'll go to the second part of the cloud. You click on this and you put on timing. Let's make it 36. Alright, you click on the second one, timing. Let's make it 40. Alright, the third one, you can make them overlap. Third one, I would like the third one to be 33. Alright, we'll repeat what we did. You click on the first one, hold shift, press and hold shift. You click on the third one, you go to your start button, and you click with previous. Okay, now let's play all of them at the same time. You click on this first one, press and hold shift, you click on this other one, and let me zoom in. So let's play it. You can see the cloud is moving. This is awesome. You can see the other cloud overlapping. You can see the other cloud overlapping. Alright, but I would like to adjust it. That's rather too fast. That's rather too fast. This, instead of 33, I'll make it 38. Right, so click again and play. You have to keep playing and adjusting until you get the exact thing you need. Alright. It's still very fast. Let me see. That is this one. I'll make this 43. Okay, so we'll click again. All right, you can see. I'll adjust it completely. Rather than 43, let's make it 50. Right, stop. Let's make this. Let's check the timing for this. We'll click on this and let's make this 42. Okay, let's see it and play it again. Right, you can see it looks much better. Looks much better. Looks much better. All right, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is all we can take. In our next class, I'll be animating a plane. Thank you for watching.